Hi everyone, I heard that a lot of you complain about the Fimi X8 SE, either 2018 or 2020 version. These have a horizontal and tilting problem. So today I'm gonna show you guys on the tutorial on how to make the gimbal and drone calibration. So check it out.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Okay, drone calibration complete.
Oh, my dear sweetheart, there's something I have to say to you. Can't hold it inside any longer. These feelings I have for you. Every day when I see your face, my heart skips a beat and I forget how to breathe. I start to shake and my chest's gonna break if I don't get to hold you. So I just had to write this letter. 'Cause girl, you're always on my mind. Nothing I have can make you better. 'Cause you've got something oh so right. Something oh scare you off. Don't mean to be pushy about it. I don't usually say this much. I just had to tell you in all honesty. 'Cause every day when I see your face, I find myself dreaming about